Good, YouTube? We are back for another video, bro. Today, we got a basketball league. Yun na naman agad eh. For today's video, I'm finna have like a basketball league. I got invited, so we're going to Albany, Georgia. I think it's still in Georgia, Albany. So it's like three and a half hour drive. So got a long drive to go. I'm with my sister.
Hello.
It's been a minute since she came with me in the basketball league, so I'm glad she able to come today. So yeah, you're gonna see it, bro. Got 3 hours and a half to drive real quick.
Hindi pa nagigising.
So I get it. Kailangan pang magising. Pa. Let's go. Had to stop at the gas station real quick. Had to use the bathroom.
3 hours later.
Sir, we're back in this bitch. Hey, dog. Back na tayo. Yo. Gusto po. Let's go, bro. Balik na tayo. Bal. The video. Let's go. This is OG. Back. We're back, bro. BJ. What's going on, bro?
You playing too?
Yes, sir. We're in the same team, bro. Let's go.
Pag dumarating na siya, lumubigay para siyang chuchu train na dapat nun. Para laro ni Christian. Yan, di ba? Hindi siya pwede mag-ano yung mag-low ball kasi hindi niya talaga mag-low.
Bro.
Yan, kayo, man, box out, man. That's it.
Stretching.
Just
vlogging, bro.
Pagka di namin kaya,
So thank you for being here. For being here allows us to raise some money to help people in the Philippines get them to schools. this, bruh. Got tired as hell. I ain't really got no vlog while I was over there. I was just like mainly focused and really tired because I was driving for like 3.5 hours. So when I had free time, I didn't really film because I just feel like just chilling and stuff. But as you can see in the clips and stuff, we lost in the semifinals, so we ain't even made it to the championship. Good luck to the team that made it to the finals, and congrats whoever gonna win. Let's go. Congrats to all the teams that joined.
Everyone is a winner.
Let's get it. Appreciate it, my sister, for coming with me.
GG.
Since I need more tires in my car, so she just let us use her car. You feel me? And get it. Shout out to her car. Let's go. Pero ako nagpagas. Pero syempre. Let's get it, bro. So it's like just a short vlog. Nothing really major. I ain't really talk over there. So on the way home now.
Just enjoy the basketball clips.
Yeah, just enjoy the basketball clips. So we on the way home now. We got 3.5 hours to drive again. So we're gonna try to go ahead and go so it's not too late when we get home. Feel me? Thank you for watching the video. I appreciate all of the support and appreciate all the support. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I hit 189 subscribers, bro. We got 11 more and we're gonna hit 200, bro. Road to 1K. Let's get it. And as you already know, bro, I will be back for some more. Let's get it.